So this is the introduction video to our next section. It's significantly smaller than protein synthesis. Now we're going to talk about the hierarchy of a protein. So what that means is there are 4 different levels of proteins. We're going to talk about each one and a few different reactions within them. So what does VCAR say that you need to know? VCAR says that you need to know amino acids are the monomer, so those single units of a polypeptide chain. And you need to understand the resultant hierarchical levels of structure that give rise to a functional protein. So what that translates in is we're going to look at how you build a polypeptide chain, what's actually happening at the top of the ribosome there, in between those two, right near those 2 tRNA molecules as they're coming together to make a new polypeptide chain. So we're going to focus on that reaction. And then we're going to look at what happens to a polypeptide chain after it's been made and turns it into a full protein. So 4 things that we need to be able to do at the end of this. We need to be able to draw a generalized amino acid. Now it is a bit chemically, like a bit chemistry like, but I'm going to try and simplify it for you to make it easier for those of you that aren't chemists to help draw it. The next thing is you're going to be able to draw a generalized dipeptide and identify the peptide bond. And this involves understanding another condensation polymerization reaction. So we did one when we did DNA, and now we're doing another one in amino acids and joining them together to make a polypeptide. We're going to look at primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary protein structures. And then we're going to be able to look and either draw, but mostly just identify each one of these structures from a diagram. And so that is that's all we're going to cover in this little subsection.